Hi guys. I'm on a week-long vacation currently, week-ish, so I'm recording videos beforehand. Um, as you can see, this video is recorded earlier, but it is supposed to be posted on the 28th, so I'll see you guys then. Let A be angles such that tangent of A is equal to -1, and tangent of B is equal to 2, with, with, um, sorry, 2 pi is less than A is less than pi, and pi is less than b is less than 3 pi over 2, then sine of 2a plus cosine of 2b plus cg is equal to 0, where c and g are positive integers with no positive square factor, so perfect square factors greater than 1. Find cg. Okay. Tangent of a is equal to -1 with a between pi over 2 is less than a is less than pi. So if we look on the unit circle, it's going to be here. Tangent of the angle equals -1. So a is equal to pi over 4, no, but 3 pi over 4. Because we're taking this angle right here, where this is negative, this is positive, but they're the same, so the ratio is -1. B is equal to 2, so it's going to be y over x is equal to 2. Y can be root 3 over 2. No, it's going to be 1/2 and I don't know. Tangent is the one that always messes me up. Oh, b is between pi and 3 pi over 2. Pi and 3 pi over 2. So how is it going to be positive? Oh, because they're both negative. So we have 1/2 and, we have 1/2 and root 3 over 2. No. We have root 2 over 2 and root 2 over 2. No. We have 1/2 and root 3 over 2. No. When does tangent equal 2? Not sure. Okay, let's plug in the rest. So sine of, it's going to be 3 pi over 2. 3 pi over 2 is here, sine is -1. Okay, so cosine of 2b. So what do we know tangent? Let's make a chart. So tangent, sine it goes over here. It's -1/2. Negative root 2 over 2. Negative root 3 over 2. Here, on cosine, it's negative root 3 over 2. Negative root 2 over 2. And -1/2. Here this goes to 1. Here this goes to root 3 over 3. Here this goes to root 3. So the angle is going to be, if this is, sorry, I'm just so hungry right now. Pi, it's going to be 7 pi over 6, I think. Then here it's going to be 5 pi over 4. Then here it's going to be, 4 pi over 3. Then it's going to be 4 pi over 3 or 8 pi over 6. It's going to be between 8 pi over 6 and 9 pi over 6. Because 9 pi over 6 is 3 pi over 2. So what do I do now? If tangent of b is equal to 2, that means that cosine of b over sine of b is equal to 2. How is this in demourives theorem? I don't understand how I could use demourives theorem on this. So cosine of b is equal to 2 sine b. So cosine of 2b is equal to, cosine is cosine minus sine. So cosine squared b minus sine squared b is also equal to cosine minus sine, then cosine plus sine. We know cosine minus 2 sine. We also know that cosine minus sine is equal to sine. Whoa. Cosine minus sine is equal to sine, so we get sine here. So I guess maybe that simplifies it. Now we have cosine sine plus sine squared. That's what cosine of 2b is equal to. And then we know cosine plus sine, add 2 sines is equal to 3 sine. So we just get 3 sine squared. So we get 3 sine squared of b. Okay. So we still don't know what b is, or what cosine of b is, or what sine of b is. But we do know... Oh my gosh. We know that x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. Divided by x squared, we get tangent squared, or 1 plus tangent squared is equal to secant squared. Sorry, I just got a text, sorry. So we get, if tangent is 2, we get 1 plus 2 squared is equal to secant squared. So 5 is equal to secant squared, which means root 5 is equal to secant. What's secant? Secant's 1 over cosine. cosine is equal to 1 over root 5. Cosine is equal to 1 over root 5. Okay, so I guess here we put 1 over root 5 is equal to cosine of b. So is also equal to 2 sine b. Divide by 2, we get 1 over 2 root 5 is equal to sine b. So our answer here is what we need is 3 sine squared b is equal to 1 over 4 times 5, 1 over times 3, so is equal to 3 over 20. So, okay, so now we have negative 1 plus 3 over 20 plus c over g is equal to 0. So this is going to be negative 20 over 20 plus, so it's going to be negative 17 over 20 is equal to negative c over g. So 17 over 20 is equal to c over g. Cg is equal to 17 times 20. 17 times 2 is 34, so 340. Wow, I'm surprised we even got an answer there. I was stuck for a bit. Let me check. Yeah, it's not right. I'm not even sure what I did wrong, but just started with expanding this. They just started with, oh, sine of 2a is 2 cosine sine plus cosine squared sine squared. Oh, but they're different ones. I don't even know. But I didn't do it right. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.